Hello, e-learners. For this week, you are going to really be getting into Unit 3, The Thrill of Horror. So we're going to start with our first story that's in this unit. On Monday, what you'll be doing is before we start reading, do a little anticipation activity, and that has an editable document, a lot like what you did for the what is the horror genre, how you had boxes where you wrote your answers or typed your answers. That's the same thing that you'll do with the anticipation activity for our first story. So on Monday, that's what you'll be expected to do. Then on Tuesday, I actually have a video where you'll be able to follow the text and listen to a read aloud of the story. It's actually going to be part 1 on Tuesday, and then you're going to be creating a chart on a piece of paper. And in the video, I walk you through how to fold your paper to make your chart, and then at certain places in the story, the read aloud, we'll stop. You'll press pause on the video, you'll record your answers on your chart, and then you'll press play again to keep going in the story. So on Tuesday, I walk you through part 1, and that's going to take you through 3 rows of your chart. And then on Wednesday, it's going to be a very similar process. Wednesday will take you through part 2, read aloud, and then there's 1 more row on your chart for Wednesday. So by the end of the day on Wednesday, you'll have 4 rows completed of the chart, and Wednesday you'll actually take a picture and submit that as an assignment to me so that I can see you have the 4 rows of your chart completed. On Thursday, you will actually read part 3, and you'll be completing some questions and some follow-up activities with the story. So there'll be a couple things that you'll do after you finish part 3, but you'll be on your own for part 3. You can use the online textbook, and you'll be reading the conclusion of the story yourself on Thursday. Then on Friday, there is a little storyboard assignment. So you're going to complete kind of storyboard's almost like a comic strip, except instead of drawing it, because of the format that we're in, you're going to actually do a PowerPoint version where you take text from the story, images that relate to that text, and then your own words for captions and put them together on slides in a PowerPoint. That's also an editable document, and there will be an instructional video in Schoology for you to show you how to access that. But it's the same way how you click My Document, it opens up and you can edit, and then once you're finished, you can submit. And so you'll be doing that for kind of the final activity for our first story. And then please, as you just saw pop up on the screen, the Reading Plus Insight Assessment, please don't forget, if you haven't done that, to get that finished so that we have that initial inventory done for you. We are going to start using Reading Plus regularly in quarter 2. So if you are not in an intensive reading class, you have to go through the Reading Plus Insight Assessment first in order to create a level for you, a starting level for you. So all you have to do is click on that Reading Plus tile on your ClassLink dashboard, and it takes you right into the assessment, and it's very self-explanatory. So please make sure, I was hoping everyone would have that done last week. If you didn't get a chance to do it, please make sure you do it as soon as you can this week so that everybody has results, because we do need those data points for you. And then again, we're going to start actually using it when quarter 2 begins next week. So it'll be important for you to have that done for a couple of reasons. Please reach out to me if you have questions. Message me if you notice anything on Schoology that seems not right to you or you need help with, so that we can get it cleared up as soon as possible. Thank you.